Tragedy struck the skies near Fort Morgan Municipal Airport when two small planes collided in midair while attempting to land. The aircraft involved were a Cessna 172 and an aerobatic Extra A300. Around 10:40 this morning, witnesses reported hearing a loud bang before both planes fell from the sky and burst into flames upon impact. Emergency crews rushed to the scene where they found the wreckage burning, with thick plumes of smoke visible for miles. Sadly, one person, believed to be a passenger in the Extra A300, lost their life in the crash. 3 others were injured. 2 occupants of the Cessna suffered only minor injuries and were treated at the site, while the surviving occupant of the Extra was rushed to hospital for further care. The FAA and NTSB have now launched an investigation to determine how 2 aircraft on approach could collide in clear skies. Fort Morgan Municipal Airport has been closed temporarily as authorities continue their work. Mid-air collisions are rare, but as today's heartbreaking incident shows, when they do occur, the consequences can be devastating. Our thoughts are with the victim's family and all those affected by this tragedy in Colorado.